Alright, this is going to be a quick one. Remember rushing home from school, firing up GTA Vice City, and getting lost in its neon-soaked streets for hours? What if I told you that right now, without downloading anything, without installing anything, and without touching a single torrent, you can be playing GTA Vice City in your browser in under 60 seconds. One website, one click, that is it. Let me show you. Okay, so website you need is Quenq, Quenq. The link is quenq.com, and it is also in the description, so you do not have to spell anything. Quenq is basically a free browser-based museum of internet and gaming history. Flash games, Windows XP Simulator, Minecraft, and yes, the full GTA Vice City. All free, all in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click on apps at the top, then find Vice City, or go straight to the direct link which is also in the description, and it takes you right there. How it actually works. Now before you click play, let me tell you something cool about how this thing actually works, because it's genuinely impressive. This is not a dodgy emulator or a shady upload somewhere. It is built on a reverse engineered version of original Vice City engine, converted to run through something called WebAssembly, which is basically a way to run proper game codes directly inside a modern browser. And here is the best part. The game does not download to your computer first. The map and asset streams to you as you play, like Netflix but for Vice City. So you are in the game in seconds, not after a 2 GB download. The full game is there. Every mission, every side activity, the complete map, 1986 Neon Miami with Tommy Vercetti, and all of it. Before you start playing, there is one thing you need to check, and it will save you a headache. Make sure hardware acceleration is turned on in Chrome. Here is how. Open Chrome, click the three dots at the top right, go to settings, search the hardware acceleration in search bar at the top, make sure the toggle is on. That is it. This setting lets Chrome use your graphics card to run the game. Without it, the game might not start at all or will run really slowly. 30 seconds to check this and you will have a much better experience. Controls works on keyboard and mouse, same as original PC version of Vice City. If you have an Xbox or PlayStation controller, you can plug it in or connect it via Bluetooth and it works straight away. On mobile, it also works with on-screen touch controls. Use landscape mode and go full screen for best experience on phone. One important tip, the game has an unlocked frame rate by default. This sounds good, but the original Vice City engine was built for 30 frames per second. If you leave it unlocked, some missions can have weird physics bugs that make them impossible to finish. So go into game settings and set the FPS limit to 30. This makes the game run exactly as it was meant to. And if you have save file from old PC or PS2, you can actually upload it. So if you played Vice City years ago and kept your save, you can pick up exactly where you left off in your browser for free. So to recap, go to quenq.com, click apps, click Vice City, check hardware acceleration in your Chrome, set FPS to 30 in game settings, plug in a controller if you want, and you're playing full GTA Vice City with 0 downloads. The link is in the description, direct link to the Vice City page, so you do not have to find it to yourself. If this worked for you, drop a comment below and share this with someone who grew up on Vice City. If you are subscribed, thank you very much, and even if you're not, it's completely fine. Subscribe whenever you want. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the new one. Till then, take care and goodbye.